You know you want to do something different with work. You know you want to do something different with life. I have a coaching program that takes you from where you are to where you want to be. My name is Marie Fertoni. I've been coaching individuals and group teams since 1987. I work with business women, professional women for the most part, to really help them really have a kick-ass career, a great time in life, and that they live the life that they could really have dreamed about. I work with a lot of people that have a heartache, and the heartache is because they're not fulfilled. They know there's more. They feel like they haven't fulfilled their destiny, or they're in an environment where their personal destiny is somewhat stopped or thwarted. If you know that you want to make that move, but you don't dare let go of those golden handcuffs, I can help you bust through to the next thing. And what we usually do is we start with people and help them to create their life purpose. We really help them to attach that purpose to every area of their life. Maybe you don't quite know what that business is that you want to do, or that career is that you want to do, or even that next job. But when you match that inside of your purpose, things start to get clearer, and you start to weed away all the things that are not that. If you're already in a business, and it is a monetized business, we can help you to get to the next financial level. Easily, effortlessly, with joy, fun, ease, and play. Along the program, we have bonuses, we have surprises, magic and miracles show up, things that are just absolutely surprising to not only you, but to me. I mean, I'm blown away by what people walk in with and what they create and how much love they have for themselves and what they're doing. You'd contact me first at reinventyourselfseminars.com, and we'd set up a time, whether it's by phone or in person or by Skype. And what we would do is we would have a complimentary strategy session, a call where we can identify where you are right now, what's not working in your life. You know, like what are the situations that you know there's something different, but you're stuck where you are. Then what we would do is we would look and see if what I'm offering in my programs is going to be a match for you, if you're going to be a match for my style. And if we are, then we decide to start and we begin the process. And we have 8 sessions that are official, probably around 2-hour sessions that we work together. And there may be some time in between for some spot coaching, power coaching. And what we do is we actually customize that to each coaching client so that they can actually get what it is that they want out of their life. And it's a privilege to be able to really work with someone and hold their hand and be their committed listener and guide on that journey. I always say transformation is not meant to be by yourself, just for yourself, and it doesn't take place in a monologue. It always takes place in a dialogue, in a great conversation with someone who's committed to listening to your best. You can have what you want. It just takes a little bit.